Hey, value traders, have you seen the volatility on dollar yen?
Value Trades.
I'm Brad Alexander, and in this week's Market Blast Fundamentals, let's take a look at Euro Pound, CAD Swiss, WTI natural gas, Pound Dollar, and Dollar Yen. On Friday, the Bank of Japan bought their own currency, which caused JPY to appreciate quickly and violently after reaching almost 152 on Dollar Yen. Unfortunately, that wasn't enough for the markets as price action has risen. We saw the same volatility in all JPY pairs, but the strong US dollar and the interest rate differentials with the rest of the world are holding JPY in a weak position. Investors see the turmoil in the UK Parliament possibly coming to an end, which has strengthened GBP. Over the weekend, Boris Johnson decided to drop out of the race to become Prime Minister again, which gave more certainty to the situation. But be aware of the gaps from this morning. Speaking of gaps, last week's gap in price action on natural gas has not been filled as EU leaders agreed to measures including price caps to lower the price of energy for industries and homes. We haven't seen $5 gas since March, and we will look at this from the technical side tomorrow. This has caused WTI to fall as well into this key demand zone, so we will keep an eye on this. The fall in price action in oil has not had the usual effect on the Canadian dollar, but we see a double top on CAD Swiss, and we will look at this tomorrow as well. However, be aware of Wednesday's interest rate decision and press conference out of Ottawa and GDP Friday. We have lots of economic news coming out of Europe this week with ECB interest rate decision, press conference and speech on Thursday, ending the week with French and German GDP. Short-term price action on euro pairs is mixed with a gap on euro pound, so watch for volatility this week.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Valutrades Signals, and the link will be in this video's description below. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and register on the Valutrades website to get notifications on new content as it happens. That's all for now. Happy trading with Valutrades, and we will see you next time. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.